Hello. We made a month ago our video about our, in the meantime, famous arthritis oil, which is this year. And we promise you, here's it in the bottle, and we promised you a month ago that we want to make a video about the arthritis cream, which is the basic here, the arthritis oil. Now we found out we didn't even do it. So we said, okay, now it's the time. All right. May you remember, arthritis is pain in your joint or one or more joints, right? And stiffness, and usually lasting less than 30 minutes. That's our specialist with arthritis.
Yep. And I can tell you the oil works really fantastic. I'm going to be surprised about the cream now. It could be a good thing for me too. So, but I'm very happy with the oil already. So this could be even more exciting for us.
Yeah, and as the oil is a basic, which is here, filtered. And it has the same benefits as the cream, as the oil. The only difference is the oil is, yeah, some kind of slippery, and your bed is oily and everything. And we think with the cream there's an alternative, so it's not so oily. And because this is helping Ken, and I'm sure the cream will helping him as well. As you remember, our famous arthritis oil has 1, 2, 3, 4 different ingredients, different herbs. Okay, I have to put this down. We have in here ginger. Ginger helps solve the progression,
Progression. Yeah.
Other word for progression? No.
No.
Okay. The progression of arthritis by preventing the breakdown of cartilage. Ginger. Ginger has been used for hundreds of years to reduce inflammation and pain, and its anti-inflammatory properties make it an ideal ingredient for our arthritis oil. But this is not enough. We also, and as you can see here, we have rosemary in it, and rosemary is also a powerful antioxidant that helps to reduce oxidative stress and promote joint health. So this and ginger is already a good combination. But we will not stop there. Then we put garlic in there, here, fresh garlic. And garlic is known for anti-inflammatory, cartilage damage. Garlic has natural antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties, making it an effective ingredient in fighting off your arthritis. But not enough. Then we found out it would be beneficial. So you know what I mean. When we put some cloves in it. Clove has been used for, again, hundreds of years to relieve pain and reduce inflammatory. So these 4 ingredients are the basic in our oil. Yeah, you see, the oil is oily. And the oil is really very, very known and famous with our customers. This is the last bottle we have right now. We have to make more, so I have to make more of this. But now I want to show you how you can make out of the oil the cream. So the basic is, here you have your double broiler, and we have here, so
Yeah.
60 grams of beeswax. And we put it in here and let it melt. And when it's melt, we put in 1 cup of this oil, but filtered, so all the ingredients are not in the cream. I don't think this would be good if you have the garlic and the ginger or whatever on your skin. That's why we said, okay, it's filtered. So 60 grams of beeswax and 1 cup of this filtered oil.
And don't forget to check out the original video too.
Oh yeah. But it's a month ago, but you will definitely...
You'll find it on our YouTube channel when you look through the channel list.
Or you just put in the search option arthritis, and then the oil will be popping up.
Page, yes.
Yeah.
On our YouTube page.
And it takes a while because it has to be melted. There are some herbalists, they put the oil immediately together with a beeswax and let it melt together. I don't want to do that. I want to melt the beeswax before, so the oil is not unnecessarily overheated. Because then the goodies are getting lost.
Yep.
Right?
The nutrients, or, yeah, well, the goodies.
The goodies. It's the easier word.
I'm sure everybody knows. You overcook anything at home, That was it.
Yeah, that doesn't taste then anymore. Or just a simple thing with pasta. If you overcook it, it's slushy and blah. So, or Brussels sprouts or cauliflower, it's just blah. The taste is not there anymore. But the color, oh my God, I will show you the color because
Careful, the handle's not hot.
no, it's not hot. Without burning myself, I just want to show you. This is the color from the melted beeswax. And now we can go ahead and put the 1 cup of this arthritis oil in there.
All the goodies.
And we have to wait a little bit until the oil and the wax is combining. And then we will fill it up in our 2-ounce brown glass container.
As we all know, oil has to be protected for sunlight, and that's the main thing too.
For the brown glasses here.
We have our tinctures in a dark room all the time. That's why we could, when we're doing big jars like this, we could use clear.
Or we put the finished tincture in the big bottles here for protecting them from the light, from the sun or whatever. Yeah. And it's as well brown. How is it called? Amber glass. Amber glass. If you don't want to buy amber glass, as Ken said, you can just put it on a dark spot, so the light is not harming the finished product.
Light and heat.
Light and heat. Yeah. And cold.
Yeah.
If it's too cold, the oil will be, how do you say? Like the honey, it's not liquid anymore. It's getting thick. So the right temperature is very important. Not too hot, not too cold, not too dark, not too bright. So this
1, 2, 3, 4, 5
is the finished product. And now the only thing what you have to do, yes, I switch it off, but it's still boiling. We have to fill up the product into the 2-ounce glass jars. And it takes about, I would say overnight. Then it's really usable. Right now it's too hot and too much liquid. But overnight you can definitely, or if you are very, very urgent, you can put it in the freezer. No, in the fridge, not in the freezer. Ho, ho, ho.
Exactly.
You don't want to freeze it.
So the beeswax combines it, the oil, to stay in place.
So, and as you can see, out of 60 grams of beeswax and 1 cup of the oil, you will get 5 2-ounce glass jars. So we do not put this on at the moment because see, learning by doing, because it has to be dry. If you put a little bit colder, because if you put this on right now, it could be that it's the top of the cream is not perfectly, you see maybe bubbles or whatever, so it has to escape, yeah, and no bubbles in it. So if you see some bubbles, you can just go ahead and do this a little bit.
Just be careful, it's hot.
Yeah, because otherwise if you have bubbles in there, it doesn't change the benefit of the cream, but it looks not so nice. If you open a cream and you see the bubbles, here's one again, and if you see the bubbles, that's not nice. I would not like to see that. So we let it sit for maybe in half an hour until it's a little bit cooled down, and then we can close it and we can let it sit overnight. But it wouldn't harm the cream if you let it sit for, like it is right now, for overnight. So then it's really dry.
And this is a DIY project that you can do at home once you made the oil too. Please check out our other DIY videos.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe, of course.
Yeah. And if you don't want to make yourself so many 2-ounce jars, but just reduce it. May you take half of so 30 grams of the beeswax and half a cup, or if it's still too much, reduce it again, or just send us the question and we can give you the exactly measurement how you make maybe just 1 or 2 of the pots for you at home. Otherwise it's in our store, as you know.
Or check out our website too.
Exactly.
You can order it there.
Online from our website, from our online store. And yes, no, we are not, or I'm not your doctor. I'm your master herbalist with my experience over 40 years. It tells me how old I am. So we will not give you any medical advice. We will never ever do that. If you have question about yeah, maybe this cream, then go to your doctor and ask him what he thinks about, or if you can take it. But we think if you don't take any other medication against your arthritis, a cream would be very helpful, our opinion as the herbalist.
Now, just an FYI there, nothing is from here or the oil is to take in. It's for outside use.
Well,
Outside use.
yeah, I mean,
Yeah. Even if it smells delicious, I can tell you that with the ingredients.
it smells like a garlic pizza. We have customer and we give a little bit of head up and we said, okay, it's made with garlic. Garlic is very, very nice for us, nice smell, but it's in the oil as well. So if you put it on your skin, you smell like a pizza or Italian food, like garlic.
Clove,
So,
the smells come through and it really, really smells good.
and we had a customer and we said a warning. I said, okay, if you use it, you smell really, really, really like garlic, like a pizza. And she said, wow, that's cool. My husband is Italian, so he would love it.
Me smelling like pizza.
Smelling like pizza, yeah. So as I said, if you have any question to reduce the measurements, the amount, give us a quick email message or under the video, and we will answer it and we can help you there. Other than this, everything is
Calm down, yep.
Okay. Chi-ching, love and light, Ken and Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner. Ciao, ciao.